Hi there YouTube, today I'm doing a video on these new Sebo bags. They're the new fleece type from Sebo. 10 of them caps. I took one off because I thought I might put one in the bottom of the Sebo. Well, I need to change them, but that didn't work. You get 8 of them in this box. Cost £10.19, which is quite pricey. And 10 bags, 10 HEPA flow bags for Henry is like a £5. So this has only got 8 of them in a pack. Do excuse any background noise. I'm just shoving these bags back in. Anyway, I did know that the day would come when I had to buy bags for the Sebo. I mean, I use the Sebo quite a lot. The old bag just got so full. It actually blocked up the hose, so I have to throw that bag out. But right, time to go on Amazon and get more. That's what I did. Anyway, now I'll show you the bag inside the machine. I've just tested the Sebo. So annoying when that keeps falling off. Right. Quick step. Don't kill me now. It's this other side of the bag that doesn't want to come out. Oh! Tablet. Here's the Sebo bag, as well as the hospital grade filter. I think this fleece bag's going to work well with the hospital grade filter. So I get cleaner air in my home. Now I'll just plug the hose back in. And these fleece bags have really improved the suction. It's back where it was when it didn't have a full bag. I'll just switch it on. See it big and deep in the carpet. Brilliant. I'll just click this back in. Anyway, I absolutely love this cleaner, as you probably guessed. Thank you for watching and bye.